welcome to the very first episodes of Let's Stake. And this is a sport betting a platform where we are just going to be taking you through all that you need to know in terms of betting. My name is Tabiso Kabanalangwenya, and of course, every Monday we're going to bring you a new episode on how to go about in strategizing, looking at the odds, and of course, just looking at the odds in terms of sports and the different sporting codes. First things first, we are just going to be talking to a man who knows it all, who is going to be just giving us an introduction on how to go about in strategizing and also placing those bets. Max, thank you so much. It's always such a pleasure, to get a chance to take us through all the important things to keep in mind when you are placing your bet.
Welcome everyone. Siyanemukela nami babukeli. Sizatodzinitsa tindzaba taka betting. Skembule sidle imali si enjoy. Sibhadale ma rent. Yes.
Sekwaba yinvo yaloko nje. Because initially I thought sport betting is just an extended platform of the game where you don't just play, but you can also get something from the game that you love so much.
Yeah, true. Secishe kuyihustle vele to most of bantu labaphilako lamhlabeni. Sekucishe kuyihustle because labanye uyabantu bayathanda kuba after work bayona labanye ama hustles maybe bayojimisa, bayocoach amabhola, labanye sebayari ukuthi hayi le hustle yami le throughout the day I don't need ukuthi ngishayise ngiyenda ngisho kusemsebentini.
Danger yayo everything emhlabeni ita nema dangers abo yonke into longayenza my business noma yini bahlale basho ukuthi sokuthatha risk. Oh yeah, iqiniso ngilelo ke Max, and ngicabanga ukuthi nangabeke wonke umuntu ayithanza ibhola noma athanza ke temidlalo, it's always a pleasure to know ukuthi you can always cash in on such things. And I think looking at the coverage as well, looking at the impact of sport betting, I guess it's safe to say ukuthi wonke umuntu needs to know how to move around in this new world of sports.
Yes, true. Ikakhulu kulama sport betting lesinawo thine siva makufocus kakhulu ebholeni.
Yeah.
Kakhulu. Iqiniso linye ke lapho. Africa ngibekise ekhaya la Swatini nje kakhulu. 90% of bantu labasakhula abantwana abancane abasakhula baba exposed to soccer.
Yeah, football.
Because vele simancane ama options lesinawo ekudlala emidlalo. Sithi bo swimming ukuthi ungathi nje udalwa una 3 years ekuthona swimming weekend nje bengithuka ngibona ngama bekuna 2 years yini ngibona pha ngasho ukuthi yo sesifikile la ukuthi umfana una 2 years so socala kunabo swimming maybe kutawushintsha emva kwesikhathi.
Yeah.
But for now vele sisebhizi ngebhola, sisabheje ibhola. Inqumbi yabantu abangena ma betting platforms bafike babe busy ngebhola, then ke athi angadliwa kakhulu ke bese uyathuka ngathi asako check up ngale kubo horse riding, asako check up basketball lanani yabona awuveli nje uconze khona.
Yeah, iqiniso ngilelo. I think ukuthi si expose ebholeni, but also siwabonile ma events la draw kubantu labanengi. You look at your Durban July ngemahashi lango. I think mina nje nangicala kwathi indzaba ye betting bekuyindzaba yokuthi kufuneka ubhejele elihashi lelitawweni.
Yeah, Durban July. I think nine ngimati Durban July bese ngisemvasi. Ne? And that goes to a lot of people la kaNgwane yabona. Akusimi nje ngekufana. So khona le tinto lesi ngekho exposed kito angeke sikubalekele lokho thina exposed kiko ibhola ne. And sicale la kuloko umcoko ku kulama betting platforms onke nje singabali ukuthi yipi onke lokumcokwa. First things first, because angeke uzokhona kubheja one kufuna uregister.
Yeah.
One kufuna uregister. Ube nalama documents labadawathinga onke lama platforms athinga documents lathide. Lo register ngawo kaMula Sport nje akafana register ngawo kubo ibet nakulamanye ama platform more special lawa South Africa. And sometimes isikhathi lesinengi uyaye ufune kusebenza ama platforms lo khona ukuthi wasebenzisa maybe uyi-South African. Uyabona. But khona sike sesiyakhona ukuthola lawo ma documents or bas register basinikete ama accounts bese siyangena, because khona ukuthi so sekuba ne ma options lamaningi ngale
Yeah.
Usho ukuthi kunyusa namathuba akho ukuthi uwine.
Ngicabanga ukuthi kuyacaca lapho ke Max, but ke another thing is I think as much as sisibanike delay introduction to the betting world, we are looking at ama markets la khona sibuka ke ukuthi ungabheja kuphi njani.
Yeah. Okay, lapho ema options la khona maningi kakhulu ngeke uziwacethe, and nami sengine experience lengiyithole over time. I think nginaye 4 years ngila kule platform kule nanyaka betting, and kunema options lengisekelo ngingakawu explore yabona. Kunabo bayamthanda baze bathi BTTS, both teams to score yabona, both teams to score. Kunabo draw, kuna win, uyakhetha ukuthi le ngile ngilibhejelako ke le mali yami ngiyifaka yonke kule team le iyawina. Kunabo win no draw, uyabona uyayibhejela le team but eish
awukho sure kahle
ayisekele because ingakho ibhola abasho kodwa ukuthi ngeke uzuyethena yabona. Uyacheck ama options emakhona, uyacheck ama offsides, maningi kakhulu uyabheja nangema half ngalama ngale game nje ukuthi okay overall mase iphelile igame lo 90 minutes or 90 plus minutes imphumelo utawuba kaso or nge-first half utawuba kaso baze baku break it down in kuze kufike kuma 15 minutes 15 minutes ngiphi team leto kora kuqala first half ngiphi leto gcina kora second half yabo kube into kanjalo so lo bakwakhela ama options ukuthi ungayi7 because ungakhanza ukuthi leyo lo ufuna kuyibhejela ema odds athi 1.3 but mase uthi no i-team leto gcina kukora ngule lenye lobo sengayizi win cancel odds lethi 1.9 yabo ukuthi songayithatha le chance leyo so maningi kakhulu
mhlawumbe nje kubuka lamanye ke ema sports ngiyade ukuthi we did touch base ukuthi ikakhulu sicile kakhulu la ku football, but we do understand ukuthi ke akhona lamanye ema sports la ngabhejelwa naletinye ke lengathi mhlambe imidlalo lo itholako kulama platforms la ngalonga khona nawo kuyisebenzisa mhlambe kuzidlalela lapho nje.
Yes kukho njengoba ngishito ukuthi sine ngalokuthi exposed ku ebholeni sifike sicale khona masiphuma sengikhani sibona ukuthi inhla na ibasketball yabona ikhona ibasketball akhona ama basketball
ikhona tennis kulamalanga nje bedlala ama open.
I think ingcumi cishe onke ema sports secishe akhona kuma betting platforms ngabe nje ngibala ukuthi lena nalena ikhona ngaphandle nganoma ngidathi ku sport yini indiza especially indiza uyabona akusiyo ku sport leso ukuthi dawuthiwa hey sayobukela kudlala indiza yabona ngisayi OR Tambo ngibona indiza angeke ukufundisele utho ke
athine ma tips lapha endizeni
okay endizeni uba nako ku labanye balandzele ama colors bakutshela ukuthi sewungenile pink uyabona sewungafaka yabona imali lenkulu bakutshela ukuthi hayi no nyalo kusese purple yabona ungangena maybe ugcine ku2 uyabona mayithi 2 uyakhipha mayithi 2 but nakhona phela akumele ukhiphe wena uthi chafa bese soyafuna usethe khona lokusetha khona ukuthi at auto 2 uyabona makuthi 2 noma awuthinzi wena wathi nje 2 kuyancamola so noma ngashaya 2.0 wena usafe uyabona so sebakwakha bakusetha kanjalo ukuthi uyakhona ukuthi ibetting yakho shothi nabo bayakusekela ukuthi uwine ngendlela lethito uyabona so kuba la ema sports la khona cishe onke akhona kubo boxing bakhona incumbi yawo so akhona so awusasweli mangaba uyathi ibhola khona lezinyelo sathi cricket uyangena uyabheja
njengoba ke sesikhulumile sesintroducene sabuka ama platforms la khona in terms of betting as well. I think the core or the meaty part of betting is how do you bet smartly, because I remember the other time we had a conversation ukuthi ke hayi akufuneka uye ngekufavor akufuneka uye ngenhlitiyo kufuneka ubuke ma odds ubuke ma head to head starts ubuke history, but ke also kukhona lento ukuthi because ukubheja at the end of the day uyeva ukuthi ati instinct yami namhla ethi let me give it to City.
I think lapho kulo la bheja smartly I think libisa kakhulu igama la discipline. Because you cannot being disciplined kusho ukuthi kubheja kwakho uyakuhlela
kanjani
awukwendi nje ukuthi wena sobheja maybe sonke isikhathi uyabo like ufuna ube discipline ukuthi hayi mina ngibheja maybe exen asengibekise ema games la ema games midweek anakuthi midweek akuvami kuba nema games lawo lesiwathandayo so wena ihabit yakho sekuyihabit la kuwe ufuna kubheja every day
Okay.
so mawatitshela ukuthi ngibheja before 12 sengiright after 12 noma ngidliwe noma njani ungabe sothi yathi lithikithi lami seliphuma igame inye yabona yophinze ufuna kubheja so kubheja smartly angikhona ukuthi kukhona yeah maybe kukhona but kubisa legama lisho la discipline because bantu mase baphuma ku discipline ngilapho la ukhanza khona sesibheje ngemali ye rent
Yeah, ngifuna
So-
sifike lapha indzaba ye budget nekuba responsible because Max nje ungibaba welikhaya so abuye ekhaya uthi namhlanje sikhona kuyibhadala i-rent money akwahambi kahle lapha kaMola.
lakusho ukuthi kufuna ngibe ngibikile lekhaya ukuthi mina ngiyabheja or kuke kwendeka sa renta ngemali yekubheja but angi-understand ke lapho uyabona yebo phela ngisingile ngarenta ngemali yekubheja sayikhipha sayi-withdrawa sahamba sayobhadala rent then ke utawubona ukuthi ngeke uze ungikhalele mangabe sengibheje ngayo ngadliwa uyabona but asikukhuthadi lokho imali yekubheja akube imali yakho ye-pocket money nje le engafake ama-bills uyifake ke kaMola Sport uyifake ke any other betting platform ubheje ngayo
Ngicabanga ukuthi lokho ke kuneta sithombe emcondo ukuthi umndeni wakho bese uba comfortable nangabe kwende kade invete kanjalo Max but ke also ngicabanga ukuthi ke indzaba ye kuba nema stories la successful la khona ubuka khona athi hayi no siyishayile labafana siyishayile bafana siphinde siyiphinze uyabo khona any stories because mina la khona ama stories lenge ngaweva ngabona ngathi la bukhona nebungodi.
I'll say at one point ngasake me and my friends besiplane ukuthi sithenga imoto in 2 weeks ne besiplane sithenga imoto in 2 weeks silanze emaphepha yebo silanze emaphepha sibhale ema strategies onke khona lapho khona bekuba ne option yokuthi mawubhejele bebabita khona bebabita ngana ngasathi bakubita ngana but bebothi mawubhejele ngathi beka ngi10 lama team yini kuwinwa 50000 ne yeah maka wina onke lama team akho la kuwinwa 50000 so wena kufuna ubhale onke ama permutations longa wathola yabona I think ngake ngaspenda more than 5000 in 1 week sadliwa bekufuna ukuthi mawufaka le mali ufakele ko 2000 ito khona ukuthi yakhe ema permutations la manengi la ngakhona ukuthi akuwinise uyabona yes so abakhona ama success stories but abakhona ke nalawa soap stories
Yeah,
yes
just like in a game of football una
just
90
like in a
minutes
game
of
of football because
Yeah.
vele nale team yakho mayiwinile shothi you have a success story mabidliwe it's a soap story but then I think ke ngilapho la bese sekwakheka khona le habit lembi yekufuna kubheja onke malanga yabona
Yeah.
because maybe you've won 3 times consecutively uyabona why enjoy le mali so uqala kuona so uqala kwakha strategy wena and so uqala kwakha inang ukuthi sofuna kurelaya ku land
Ku-land, yeah.
ukuthi wolendo kungisebentele ngathi sengimthengile lo munye uyamthenga vele sofa uyabona so mazothenga isofa mbeka lapha ngeke bese sowufuna ukuthi sawucedzile kune fridge lo sayifuna uyabona
Yeah.
so iyacala ke lapho
ngichaza ukuthi wena Max ukhuluma ngenzaba ye addiction as well kuyo ngicabanga ukuthi ke mhlambe singa expanda kuyo ngalenye ilanga kukhuluma ke kubuka nemngodi bayo nema hotlines ukuthi umfusi itakala kanjani ke nangabe soditfola ke usengingeni ukuthi ubheje ngendlu yakho ubheje ngemoto yakho uyabona
ngemfato wakho
hey kuyendeka kahle
oh nosebholeni bayasho ukusho lapha ukuthi nasidla I'll give you my wife
aw Jehova
yes
ngathi lo moya waleyo ndvodza ungahlala ungahosheli ngalanga ke ngoba buka nje sekubhejwe ngamonke ngaba ingodi lengikhulile. Thank you so much Max for your time.
siyabonga kakhulu
Ngiyake expect leyo yethu leyo Max asiniketa nje noma asidlalela ukuthi ke how do you go about in betting, giving us an introduction, sharing stories as well in terms of e-betting and also things to do, the do's and don'ts, things to avoid, things to stay away from and things to look at before placing your bet.